Hey there, can you raise your hand if you've ever felt exhausted by modern dating? The ghosting, the mixed signals, the pressure to play it cool while secretly wondering, why won't he just step up? I get it. You want a real connection, not another round of mind games. But here's the truth. Making him chase you isn't about rules or pretend to be someone you're not. It's about authenticity, confidence, and knowing your worth. Let's talk about how to do this with class, clarity, and zero games. 1. Have your self-worth. Let's start with the biggest myth in dating. You have to shrink, dim your light, or trick someone into choosing you. Nope. The most magnetic thing you can do, own your value. When you know your worth, you stop chasing validation, and that's when he'll start stepping up. Here's your first action step. Audit your mindset. Ask yourself, do I believe I'm worth pursuing? If you're overgiving, settling for breadcrumbs, or hiding your true self to keep his interest, you're teaching him how to undervalue you. Instead, focus on what you want in a partner. Confidence isn't arrogance, it's quiet clarity. And that's irresistible. 2. Be confident, but don't be overeagerness. Now, let's talk about the line between showing interest and scaring him off. You can be enthusiastic without appearing desperate. For example, if he texts, you don't need to wait 3 hours to reply to seem busy. But you also don't need to write a novel. Smirks. Matches effort, but keep the mystery alive. Healthy pacing creates anticipation. Let him miss you a little between dates. That doesn't mean playing hard to get. It means having a full, vibrant life outside of him. Which brings me to 3. Make a genuine connection. The goal isn't to make him chase you. It's to create a connection so compelling he wants to. How? Ditch the interview-style questions. Instead, share stories, ask playful what-ifs, and listen not just his words, but his values. People chase what makes them feel alive. Be the person who sparks curiosity, laughter, and depth. And here's a pro tip. Celebrate your quirks. Love horror movies? Geek out about it. Passionate about your career? Let that pride shine. The right man won't just tolerate your authenticity. He'll fall for it. 4. Leave room for mystery. Ever binge a show in one night and regret it? Relationships need pacing too. You don't have to share every childhood trauma or future baby name on date 3. Mystery isn't about secrecy. It's about letting attraction build naturally. Keep some cards close to your chest. Let him wonder, what's she up to when we're not together? Which means, yes, put your phone down and go live that interesting life. Post the concert pics. The pottery class fails. Let him see you're someone worth investing in. We've talked about owning your worth, pacing, and building genuine connections. Now, let's dive into the game changers. Flirting without cringe, social media that intrigues, and how to lock down commitment gracefully. 5. Use the best flirting that actually works. Flirting isn't about batting lashes or forced compliments. It's about attention. Here's the hack. Listen like he's the most fascinating person in the room, then surprise him with a witty take. Body language is your secret weapon. Lean in when he speaks, hold eye contact a beat longer, then break it with a smile. It's subtle, but it screams, I'm present and I'm a little dangerous. And here's a golden rule. Tease him like you'd roast a friend, light, playful, never mean. Say he's obsessed with his guitar skills. Careful, I might start charging for these concerts. It's flirty, fun, and shows you're paying attention. 6. Use social media for yourself, not for him. Let's address the elephant in the room. Instagram. Posting for his attention? Don't. Posting because you're living your best life? Yes. Your feed should whisper, I'm amazing with or without you. Avoid overposting him. A casual story with his hand in the corner? Fine. 12 sunset couple pics in a week? Hard pass. Keep him curious, not suffocated. And never, ever dissect his likes. That way madness lies. We've all been there. But remember, social media is a highlight reel, not a love meter. If he's into you, he'll move beyond the screen. 7. Have a big conversation with him. Time for the big talk. You want commitment. But how do you ask without sounding clingy? Start with clarity, not demands. Say, I've loved getting to know you. For me, connection without consistency doesn't work. Where's your head at? This does three things. Shows confidence, sets a boundary, and gives him space to step up. If he hesitates, don't panic. Say, no pressure, just wanted to be honest. Then pull back. Let him feel your absence. The right guy will race to close the gap. Know when to walk away gracefully. Sometimes, despite doing everything right, he still doesn't chase. That's your sign to let go. Not every connection is meant to last. And that's okay. Walking away isn't failure. It's self-respect. If he's lukewarm, inconsistent, or treats you like an option, don't explain, negotiate, or wait. Quietly exit. Trust me, nothing makes a man rethink his choices faster than seeing you thrive without him. The right man won't need chasing. He'll choose you clearly and consistently because you've shown him exactly who you are, a woman who knows her value. Don't settle for less than mutual effort. So go live boldly, love fearlessly, and remember, you're not auditioning for him. He's auditioning for you. Drop a comment and tell me your favorite tip below. And if this helps, please subscribe. See you next time.
From the top, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. It lasts so long.